Hi everyone, welcome welcome back to our channel. This is Kim for Tres Jolie Kit Club, and we are a monthly kit club that has 3 kits: a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. And if you are watching this, then that means we are revealing our new kits for the month of May. So we're going to take you through a video of all of our kit. But first, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the video. And you check out all our kits at www.tresjoliekits.com. Our kits are limited, so you may want to head over there now and check out and see what's available. All right, so let's get into why you're here. Let's do the video reveal of our kits. First up, we have our scrapbook kit. It retails for $52. That does include your shipping. And with Tres Jolie, we like to do shabby chic, vintage type of papers in our kits. So first off, we're going to start with the embellishments. We've got these fun beaded berries from Prima. They are pink and gold. You're going to get the whole pack of 20 pieces. You're also going to get another pack of Prima flowers. There's 10 pieces in here, and these are nice, fun, bright colors. And our last pack of flowers are a little more muted, but they are fun, and there's 12 pieces in here. You're also going to get a 12-inch length of this beautiful lace. And if you didn't know, at Tres Jolie, we also cut our own chipboard in-house. It's all laser cut. And so you're going to get chipboard. First off, you're going to get these 2 titles that say Spring Fling. Then next up, you're going to get a new piece that I like to call In the Weeds. So, and then you're going to get these new border pieces as well too. And again, all of these are available over on the website at www.tresjoliekits.com. And you're also going to get this pack of matching ephemera for the papers. And the papers are new by Blue Fern Studios. If you're an OG, you know about Blue Fern Studios. Well, they're back with some new papers, and we've got them. So this is the montage. So you've got 12 die cut pieces in here, but they're a montage of clusters. Let's go ahead and open up so you can see what they look like. So this is what they look like. They're already clustered for you, and you're going to get 12 pieces of these, and they coordinate perfectly with the papers. And their new paper line is called Seasons, and even though we're in our spring going into our summer season, this is a mix of all 4 seasons. So if you've got papers from fall and winter that you want to get done, or pictures, not papers, or if you've got pictures that you're doing now for the spring and summer, this kit will work for you. It's got all the seasons covered. So this is the first little cover sheet in there, but there is some ephemera on the back that you can cut out to use. Now let's get into these papers because they are stunning. First up, you've got this one, and they are double-sided. I just love this. It looks watercolor-ish, but it's still very pretty. And you'll be able to tell by the graphics on the picture what season they're from. Oh, I think I've got these upside down. Oh, I do. Sorry about that. Let's go over it again. Okay, here we go. And on top, this says Spring Flowers, and there's the back side of it. This is Acorn, obviously, which this is a fall one. Look at that. How beautiful is that for fall paper? Got this one, it's called Breeze, and I'm sure it could go for either spring or summer. Got another one that's called Brisk, and again, spring or summer. But the back side of this looks kind of Christmassy to me as well, because it's got some of the poinsettias on here. But the front side of it is definitely a spring or summer. You've got this sheet, Dewdrops. Again, another one that on the front, it looks spring, summerish. And again, the back side is very spring, summerish as well. You've got Glow. Again, another spring, summery one. And then we've got Nutmeg, which is obviously another fall one. And look at the back of that one. It's just stunning. These colors are so vibrant and pretty. And then we've got Sprout, which could probably be spring, summer as well. And there's the back of that. And then you've got Winter Haven, which is obviously a winter one. But look at this gorgeous scene. It kind of reminds me of the Thomas Kincaid pictures. If you ever saw his pictures, but that's what it reminds me of. And then this is the one I showed you that said Shiver. And there's the back of that. So this is our May Scrapbook Kit. And again, it's very limited. So if you want it, it's $52. That includes your shipping. And you can head over to our website at www.tresjoliekits.com and pick yours up before it sells out. Or better yet, while you're over there, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? That way you don't have to worry about a kit ever selling out on you. Next up, we're going to have our cards, tags, and more kit. Okay, so our cards, tags, and more kit. This is our fun kit. This is our kit where you can do small projects. One month it may be cards, the next month it may be tags, you know, ATC cards, whatever it is. Just a small project, mini albums. But this month we've got full-size paper for you to create whatever you want. But we do have some mini stuff in here to make this very card friendly. First off, you're going to get these 4 honeycomb pieces. And then you're going to get a pack of these little birdie yellow flowers. And then you're going to get a pack of these ochre mini laser cut elements. These are from 49 and Market. And they're laser cut elements to use. And they're the mini size. So these are very card friendly. And you're going to get 2 sheets. And all you have to do is punch them out. That's the first sheet. And here's our second sheet. How pretty are these for cards? So yeah, those are going to come in the kit. And if you haven't noticed the theme yet, we're getting a little yellow here. Now I've got the paper hidden so you can't quite see it yet. We really don't do a lot of theme type paper, but I saw this paper and I thought it was adorable and fell in love with it. So this is what we're going to have. You're also going to get 7 sheets of this paper to die cut. It's called leaves. So you've got some leaves here that you can go ahead and cut out on 2 sheets. Got those as well. But you've also got this paper that looks textured, so when you die cut it, it's going to look textured with whatever you cut out. And it is double-sided. So if you like to cut leaves out with this, they're really going to look like leaves because it's all textured. And you're going to get 7 sheets of those as well. Or whatever else you want to die cut out of this would be perfectly fine. Now you're also going to get 5 sheets of textured cardstock. And now let's get into these papers. You are going to get 12 sheets of paper. There's 6 designs, so you're getting 2 of each. And this is called Bees and Butterflies Basic, and this is from Paper Roses. If you don't know about Paper Roses, they're made in Australia. And like I said, look at this. How darling is this? Oh, I forgot to mention our cards, tags, and more kit retails for $42, I'm sorry, and that's in your shipping. Now this is your back side of it. You get to cut all of these out, and here we go into these papers. So like I said, you're getting 2 of each, so you're getting 2 of these, and these are fun for card toppers, or if you want to do some layouts with these, you can lay these out, use these under your photos, or if you're doing a mini album, these are the perfect size. And you got 2 sheets. Here's the back side, so you don't have to worry. If you want to cut these out and use these on 1 sheet, you've got a separate sheet. And then we've got some fun bees here. And here's the back side of this. Very adorable. Just so stinking cute. And it just screams spring to me. How about this lovely sheet of paper? And there's your back side. And gingham is really hot right now, so I'm loving that we got some gingham in here. It's one of the bigger trends for this year. And again, some more sheets. You got some text in here as well if you like that type of graphic. And I love having text on my sheets. And you've got some polka dots back here. Polka dots are also another thing that are trending this year. I think our craft trends keep up with fashion trends. And then you've got some honey here. And then on the back side, these beautiful, beautiful flowers. And then for your last two sheets, you've got this sheet. And then on the back, you've got some more gingham, but in a different color. So this has been our cards, tags, and more kit. And like I said, if you like these, head on over to our website, www.tresjoliekits.com, and pick up your kit, or better yet, subscribe. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. Here's our mixed media kit. It retails for $47. And if you don't know about our mixed media kit, what we do is we provide you with mediums to try out. Sometimes we have smaller sizes so you can try it out, see if you like it. If you like it, we can get the bigger size. And then sometimes we have a regular size things depending on what it is. And this month we've got this pack of Stemperia, Aquacolor, Mist, and we've got it in like a brown, aquamarine, and pearl white. These are going to be so fun to use. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to turn it on to all. That way you're notified when we upload a video, because we upload videos using all of our kits to give you inspiration. And sometimes we talk about, you know, the mixed media, if it's something new, to give you an idea on how to use it. Now, along with our mediums, we always give you a project. So this is kind of like a standalone kit, so you can open your mediums and you can get started on your kit. So our project for today, first of all, let's give you some little small embellishments. Everybody's going to have a little clock in there. There'll be different sizes. You're also going to have this pack of antique metalware, which are the 2 spoons with the little cover. My thing came apart, so that's why I'm holding it like this. But yeah, you'll get the 2 spoons to help decorate. You're also going to get a sheet of acetate, and then you're going to get this painter's tray, and it's coming in 2 pieces. And I don't remember if you know, if you're an OG, you'll remember back in the day when 7 Gypsies used to do these trays. Well, since we cut our own chipboard, why not cut our own trays? So I've designed this tray as a picture frame or a painter's tray, and it comes in 2 pieces. This way you can decorate it a little bit easier, and then you can attach the 2 together. And this is how thick it's going to be. This is how thick it is. If you can see your top part. So it'll be a wonderful family frame, or just like a painter's tray if you want to commemorate travel or something, and you've got souvenirs or ticket stubs or things like that. This is a fun way to commemorate all of that. And then because it's wood and it's raw, that's why we have our mediums to go ahead and decorate this. And I like that we have these colors here. I picked these out to give it that like aged patina look, and that's what these are going to be fun to do with. But like I said, this is our mixed media kit, and again, it retails for $47. You can find it over on our website at www.tresjoliekits.com. This has been Kim for Tres Jolie Kits. This is the May video reveal of our kits. I hope you liked it. Glad you joined us. Make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe button down below, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye.